shopping via Zipline. I hear the monkeys literally crawling above us, jumping from branch to branch. Wow, look at this.
Thanking you for flying with Air Swift. Once again, welcome to Nido.
Here's the little cottages. Outside gym right there, 80 pesos. This big water, 50 pesos. This is not a regular size water bottle. It's what, 1 liter? And then they have a little cafe here. All right, so this is our entrance to our little cottage villa in El Nido. The view. And we got the private room with the private bathroom. Let's see if we can get in here. There we go. Got AC. The others just had the fan, so we upgraded for a couple dollars more and got the AC room. And there's like 12 people could fit in here, so it's actually really big. It's only 12:40, so we got a lot of day ahead of us, and then have to do some planning and booking. So get some stable Wi-Fi, get that all figured out. All right, so we're just gonna get a trike to the city today, and it's gonna be like 200 pesos, maybe 300, we'll see. But yeah, we're about to go to the city right now, get some food and coffee. I haven't ate all day. It's 1 p.m. Alright, so I did a lot of traveling last year, especially in Southeast Asia, but I never took a tuk-tuk, so here we go. I mean a trike. Alright, so we're at the beach club. Here's the drink menu. I didn't get coffee, I got a mango shake. But this is what they have. Okay, so you can definitely see a price difference. Coke here, 120 pesos, which is like $2. Yes, 207. Back home in Manila, well, BGC even, it's like 40 pesos. So, big difference. But I got a mango shake for $2.40. The smash burger single patty, $4.50. This is the view. Wait for it. It's not the best mango shake, but it's good.
I mean, the mango shake is good, but I'm used to they put yogurt in it.
Like Amano in BGC has a good mango shake. It is 84 and windy. Got the burger.
You gotta force yourself to do it. If you go to bed at 7, you're gonna wake up at 2.
Good burger. That's where you get your tickets. And they sell these for 100 peso.
Direction, you go faster.
Okay.
We have a brake there. When the brake hit this, it may cause of impact or bump. That's why you need to lean back and up your leg straight.
I'm nervous. I wasn't until now.
The hard day, I make it fun. Ready?
Ready. Wow. This is beautiful. I'm going backwards. Wow. Island hopping via zipline. Wow, that was beautiful. And now we get to walk back on the sandbar. Hello, Bo. Okay, I'm getting pulled in now. Whee! Wow.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Bo.
Okay, one more for taking a picture. Whisper Jones, ma'am, both hands.
Both hands?
Yeah, like that. Yeah. And you need to say one more. And thumbs up. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, so you give them your WhatsApp number and then they send you the photos. 150 pesos. And then to get down, right here. This is crazy. It's like a bamboo ladder. Oh, there's a monkey right there.
Oh, look, Dad, look. Monkey. Two monkeys.
There's literally a wild monkey right here. And these shoes have no grip. It's like slippery. Alright, we got this. Wow, there's a monkey right here. I don't know if you guys can see. He's literally chilling right there. There's two right there, baby.
Oh, yeah. Three monkeys. Oh, that's monkey.
Oh, look at the baby monkey right there, guys. Wow. There's one right here, too. There's a lot.
Oh, no. There's one right there.
Yeah.
That's a lot.
This is so cool. Wild monkeys. All right, so this is the hike down, guys. I hear the monkeys literally crawling above us, jumping from branch to branch. So cool. Woo!
Loose, man?
It's kind of slippery because the bottom of the shoe is flat. You're not in shape and maybe older, this is not for you. Just being honest. They actually turned a lot of people away for being overweight. So just keep that in mind. Wow.
Hey, you see these? Mary, you see these? Look at these rips.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah. Wow.
Whew. Look at these.
Yeah.
Wow. All right, we're getting pretty flat already. We're already down by the water. Okay, so now the fun part comes. They weren't offering the round trip, so we have to do one way to the this island, and now we have to walk back to the main island across the sandbar, which is over here. This guy's doing some push-ups. We're about to go swimming, guys. I'm gonna have to take these shoes and socks off. Wow. This is beautiful. Look at this. And then you got El Nido right here behind me. That zipline was really cool. Like, you don't feel any, like that roller coaster drop feel in your tummy. You don't feel that. And you get your WhatsApp, you give them your WhatsApp number and they text you at the end of the day. And they did that in Phuket. Well, I mean, Phi Island. We went on a Phi Island tour last year. And that's kind of like how it works. You just pay and then you get them that night or next day. So you just kind of got to trust them that they'll send it. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. I feel like I'm stranded. I just got dropped off on an island, like cast away. Well, that was really fun. And this view is amazing. So that's the island that we ziplined to and then walked across the sandbar right here. Massage on the beach. Wow, look at that, guys. There's a cat chilling in the grass. I don't know if you can see him. At the bottom center of the screen, he's just chilling next to those people. We're going to the Lazy Hammock Cafe.
Hello.
Hello. Ice caramel macchiato, please. Super cute in here. Thank you so much. Oops, I put it in upside down. Alright, so we're at the public market. We're actually next to the public market at like our Airbnb host called it the Chinese market. And I got these are $165. Water shoes for the tours tomorrow. Just gonna use some cheap knockoff Crocs. And found them right here. Right here it says footwear. There's tons. There's these regular sandals, flip-flops. But I'm getting these because they have a strap on the back. So this is definitely the place to shop if you need some cheap shoes. Especially if you don't plan on keeping them or packing them with you. Just grab these and then toss them at the end of the trip or give them away to somebody, like your host or someone local that you see. Alright, here's dry bag. Let's see how much this is. Oh, here we go. Alright, this is a 10 liter for $2.35. Alright, to wrap up this video, since I forgot to wrap it up that night, I'm going to go over how much I spent. This is day one in El Nido, and I broke it down, literally everything that was spent. There was 2 trike rides that I forgot to record, so I put not shown on those, but everything else was shown and also broken down in the video. And then another thing to note, I took the Air Swift direct flight straight into El Nido, which there's 2 different options, right? You can go to Puerto Princesa, which is the international airport, but it's really far from El Nido. Like, I know a guy who he flew in there and then he hopped on a bus, like the local bus, and it has like stops all along the way, and it took him forever. He said that the driver was even like stopping for food, gas, or like even like a smoke break. So there was a bunch of stops, took them forever. But the bus ride was only 200 pesos max. And then the flight, if you do to the international airport and you don't do Air Swift to actual El Nido, you can get that really cheap. 205 USD for the Air Swift one way. It would definitely bring that down because you can find flights, especially if you book early. I kind of booked last minute. But if you book in advance, you can definitely find those cheaper. Even if we just like, get an average of, let's say, 2,000 pesos. Yeah, that would be a big difference. If you do Air Swift, I paid 205, but I checked, and if I did the international airport, you could find it for like 2,000 pesos on average, sometimes even cheaper, or, a little bit more expensive. So average 2,000 pesos, that's $34 for a flight to Palawan. And then you take the bus, that was about 200 pesos max. He took the local he took the local public bus. So you could do your flight and bus to, get to actual El Nido for $38 instead of $205. But it just really depends on, you, how much you're willing to pay, your budget, etc., etc. But yeah, here's everything broken down. The total with the flight, 254.70, which is 14,579 pesos, and the total without the flight, if you just want how much I spent, in El Nido, not including the flight to get there, it would be $48.81, which is equivalent to 2,794 pesos. Also, if you're curious, I actually edited this video in CapCut, and I saw that I can invite friends, and basically I invite you, if you get the CapCut app, and I get 7 days and you get 7 days as well, free of Pro. So we both win here. And yeah, it's on CapCut's budget, so you might as well just use the link. We'll both win 7 days free Pro on CapCut. I'll go ahead and copy the link and put it in the description of the YouTube video down below. That way you guys can give it a try. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one, whenever that is, because this is super random.